Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we came out to MONSTA Performance. My buddy Chase works out here painting cars. We're gonna go inside and see what's up with all that, see what all he's been painting and check out some of his setup and just check out the place. Let's go. Go.
Yeah, like that one. Only the 2000. No, I got it. Wait.
Hey, he got more time than you got.
Inside? No, it has a lever. So then how do you... No, it has an up and down lever in the back. Lock the hatch.
More. Yeah, there you go. There you go.
That's not how it goes. 98 to 99. I thought it was 99 2000.
It is 99 to
96 to 99.
Got to be a 98.
The panic.
Call stop.
Bro,
EC been out.
Well, that's a lot. Failed the test. Number 3. Good.
Oh yeah.
Don't buy a BMW. Break that.
Oh, that bro, I just buy the show. Whatever, bro. You're 100 for 1.
Oh my God. Damn it. Then we got Stay stop. Let up the air. He's like, God damn it. I told you this was a bad idea. Alright. Price not down. I buy it. We're out here at MONSTA Performance. Chase is going to show us what all goes on around here.
Well, howdy guys. This is Lee Yearwood's shop, MONSTA Performance, Pro Spec driver, Formula Drift. That's Haitian. This is where it goes down. There's dreams come true. You already know. Just look around.
What do you guys do here?
Chase sucks. Chase fucking sucks, guys. Listen. We don't fuck around here at MONSTA, okay? We got a 4-wheel drive in-ground dyno. We make shit happen, okay? We got 2-wheel, 4-wheel, whatever you want. We can dyno, we can tune it. Don't bring me a Honda, even though we got a Honda right here. It's gonna get a Haltech. I'm a Haltech guy. We got RB's best motor ever. I don't care what y'all say. Screw your Jay-Z and your LS. Well, wait, yeah, RB, Jay-Z. We do a lot of Jay-Z. Hey, my Jay-Z people, I love y'all, cause I know y'all support me a lot. I love y'all Jay-Z people. See, look at Jay-Z, everywhere. We got Chase, he the painter. That's why he couldn't talk to you guys, cause he's the painter. Yeah. He paints stuff.
I'll paint stuff, make it look good.
He paints stuff. He makes stuff look shiny. Yeah, I know you guys like shiny. And pretty much what we got here is like, if you spend good money at Monster, we will store your car in an 8,000 square foot building until you're ready to get your car worked on. That's what we do here. And drink beer. I don't know if you can show Modelo. It's 5 o'clock.
After 5.
It's after 5. It's like 7 o'clock. I don't know what time, isn't it? It's 8 o'clock and I'm doing an interview, so y'all getting the beer lead. I'll see y'all in the next one.
Fuck you do?
I'm gonna flip fucking tires, bro.
You gonna change the tires?
Oh, they're $10 round.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm like no stretch on a, what is it? 245? Yeah.
Tell him better get right.
Look at that paint.
Yeah. Look at that paint. Day in the life of Chase.
Yo, this is the real life. You don't need a license plate to drive in Florida because I've been driving like this for about 5 days now.
Really?
Yeah.
It kind of blends in. It looks like a tag. All right, man. Yep.
Buffy.
What was that?
He'll get. Don't look like it's going nowhere. It's going. There it goes. Come on now. Man, you smashed the bumper on this thing, didn't you?
Yeah, pretty good.
Let's see where he smashed this thing out. Holy shit. Yeah, you're gonna need some fixing on that motherfucker. Chase went 4-wheel off-roading in this thing the other day. I did that shit in that same spot though too. I didn't do all that though. these tires are still good.
Oh, I'm going.
Oh.
You gonna stop it? You already know he's gonna turn up. Turn up, turn up, turn up. Yeah, it's a my birthday. Go ahead. Yeah, I just put on these like one time.
What are you changing the tires for? Huh? Why are you changing the tires? Oh. So you're gonna take those and put them on here? Yeah, these bitches ain't fitting at all. Yeah, so the flames didn't work. I'm trying to blow the tire up to put it on, didn't work, so he's gonna put a whole different tire on here. This is on there.
Yeah,
Pick it up. Didn't want a job at Tire Kingdom, did you?
Or yeah, I can go on there, right there. Yeah, kind of flip up. Yeah. I can go on a lip. Yeah, go on a lip. Go down. Right there. Yeah, there you go.
How far is it? Alright, we're out of here. Thanks to Lee Bird for having us out. We'll see you on the next one. If you guys need any work from here, I highly suggest coming here. They do tuning and whatever else you need.
Engine swaps, turbos.
Yeah, holla at the boy. So we'll see you guys later.
Later.
We're back from MONSTA Performance. Last night I kind of ran over a tire that was in the middle of the interstate and couldn't really see at all where I was at. So this happened and pretty much the bumper went up under the front lip of the car and smashed the whole lip of my bumper. But it actually didn't fuck up the bumper. So I can just take this off and the bumper's good. So I can just order a new bumper lip and then obviously have to rewrap that. But yeah, that didn't last very long. So it looks like we're back to having the bash bar on there for now. But yeah, that shit went fook up under here. It was lodged up under there. It was actually smoking. I pulled over like as soon as it happened. And this is what we have. That shit sucks, but yeah, kind of happened. This bumper didn't last long at all, huh? But whatever. So, a little change of idea here. So because I messed up the bumper, we're gonna take the whole wrap off the car and change it up a little bit and keep it more simple. I may wrap it white, I don't know, but I'm only gonna keep the people who support the car on the car. So it'll just be the few sponsors that I have. Stage Wheels, White Diamond Detailing, Track Spec Motorsports for the cage, and then A&G Graphics for the wrap and the stickers. We're still gonna have A&G Graphics stuff on the car, but we're not gonna ride with the wrap for now. We may do solid white and then black stickers, like a sticker stack, but I don't know. So we'll decide that later, but for now we're gonna take the wrap off. So let's get to it.
What have we done under the sun?
Got most of it off already off the front. So we got the quarter panel off. Check out the paint though, bro. The paint is hard. You look real close, it's got real tiny gold and then big gold flake in it too. But this is gonna look fire. With the white wheels, setting it off. Yep, so I'm gonna keep at it. It's kind of hard to get this stuff off, but I don't know. Keep working at it until it's off. Let's go. Off. Check this out. Look at all that. Dirt and sand falling out of there. Yeah, it just keeps coming out. There's literally like a whole wall of it in there. And there's a tire. It just keeps coming out. Yeah, I should probably take that off and that off, but check it out, guys. It looks super sick, huh? That black and gold look back. It's gonna look sick. I just gotta get the rest off here in the back area, and then I kind of tore some of it off here, but all that's gonna come off as well. So let's get back at it. Got the wrap all the way off, and this is what it looks like. It's all done. I don't know, I may keep it like this. Let's see. I'm just keeping the basic 3 stickers on there. Once we get the cage, I'll have the track spec sticker on there as well. Oh yeah, so I'm excited about that. I don't know, that's about it for today. See you later.